middle term of an AP. Here question is two types of middle terms will be there. If that is even number of terms are there in that, you will find suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Here the middle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is even number of terms are there. So middle term means you can take 10 and 8. 8 and 10 both you have to consider. But if it is odd number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 only there, then here middle term means only 8. So how to find the middle term, sir? If middle term n is odd, n is odd, then n means the nth term, total number of terms, odd number of terms, then what will happen? T n plus 1 by 2 is the tooth term. That is a plus n plus 1 by 2 minus 1 into d. This is the middle term. Clear? Suppose n is even, then what will become middle term? N even means suppose 8 terms are there. 8 by 4, that is fourth term, and fifth term are the middle terms. So what will do? T n by 2th term 1 find, that is a plus n by 2 minus 1 into d 1. Next term is what will do? T n by 2 plus 1, not n plus 1 by 2, n by 2 plus 1 term, that what will do? A plus n minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 into d. Simplify, you can do a plus n by 2 into d. This is where you can get the middle term. Please note down this formula. Last concept is that we know nth term from the first formula is nth term from the first formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have to find a mth term from the last. Mth term from the last. Shall I erase this? Mth term last of an AP, arithmetic progression. So just see the first term from the last. First term from the last. First term from okay, just I'll make it common from last. First term what? First term is the last term from the first. Yes or no? Which is the last term? Which is the last term from the first? If you go from the first, suppose I am standing in the last position in a row. From the first you will count I am the last, but I am the first. From the last you will count I am the first. Yes. So first from the last, first term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Clear? Second term a plus n minus 2 into d. Second term previous term, no? Suppose let us come, might be you are getting confusion here. Suppose 20th term. Suppose a t20 is called a plus 19d. T19 what? A plus 18d. 1 decreasing or not? 1 d will decrease. So this is the second last term from the first. That means second term from the last. Yes or no? Agree? Did not get? Okay. First, which is the first term from the last? Which is the last term from the first? Suppose tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or 11, 12 like that. This one is the last term for the first. If you go this way, this is the last, but this way it is the first or not? Now this is the last second term. This is second term, second term, last number, but the second term. But from the last you will come, this is the second or not? This is a third from the last. This is a fourth from the last. If this way we will calculate in our AP, just check AP, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, plus dot 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 dot. Last one is A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes or no? Its previous term what? More 1A will be less. Yes or no? A plus n minus 2 into D. Suppose this is 20D, means this is 19D, this is 18D, this is 17D, like that it will decrease or not? There is a common difference, no? Here n minus 1D, n minus 1 means more number of D's are there. Here 1D less, n minus 1D minus D means n minus 2D. Agree? So now in this sequence if you will go, the first term from the last is A plus n minus 1 into D. Second term from the last is n minus 2 into D. Third term will be A plus n minus 3 into D. The fourth term will be A plus n minus 4 into D. Similarly, nth term A plus n minus, first term 1, second term 2, third term 3, fourth term 4, nth term m. This is the formula for mth term from the last of an AP. Are you clear, everybody? All others, anybody did not get, may ask. Silence is approval. So everybody understood. I will consider it.